Hello viewers, myself Dr. Rachna, homeopathic physician, chronic disease specialist. Today I am telling you about mycorrhizasis for homeopathic treatment who does completely cure without any side effect. Mycorrhizasis is also known as zygomycosis. Mycorrhizasis is fungal infections. That's other name of black fungus. This fungus most commonly of the sinus and brain, lungs by fungus founding normally in the soul or in declining the vegetations. Mycorrhizasis can also affect the gastrointestinal tract, skin and kidneys, and mainly affect people who have the health problem or take the medication that reduce their the ability to fight environmental pathogens like germs and sickness. Causes of mycorrhizasis like black fungus. Mycorrhizasis is caused by the exposure to Mycorrhizasis models. These the organism occur in leaves, piles of compost, soils, rotting walls. Mycorrhizasis by breathing in affected modules spore in the air. This is the referred to as the pulmonary exposure. In turn, such as the infection development in your CNS in rare, eyes, face, lungs and sinus. Mycorrhizasis caused by environmental. Not everyone exposed will get the fungus infections. You may be at the increased risk of contracting this type of infection if you have the weak immunity system. Condition that may be increased risks include like brain cut off scraps, cancers, recent organ transplantation, HIV, AIDS, diabetic mellitus and surgery. Mycorrhizasis cause other condition to dangerous illness, and mycorrhizasis is particularly dangerous become it spreading quickly throughout the body. The infection can spread to the lungs and brain infection, paralysis, pneumonia, seizures like epilepsy and death. Symptom of mycorrhizasis. The symptom of the mycorrhizasis depend on the where in the body the function is growing. Symptom of rhinocerebral means sinus and brain symptoms. Mycorrhizasis is including one side facial swelling, headache, nasal and sinus congestions, black lesion on nasals, bridge of upper inside the mouth and fever. Symptom of mycorrhizasis: pulmonary, respiratory lungs disorder like fever, cough, chest pain, shortness of breathing. Symptom of cutaneous like skin mycorrhizasis symptom, abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, gastrointestinal bleeding. Disseminated mycorrhizasis typically occur in people who are already sick from the other health medical conditions, so it can be difficult to know which symptoms are related to mycorrhizasis. Diagnosis and testing for mycorrhizasis: consider the medical history, symptoms, physical examinations, some blood tests when diagnosis mycorrhizasis, such as blood tests, urine cultures, respiratory tests, and tissues biopsy like skins and CT scans of your lungs and sinus, other part of your body depending on the location of the suspect infections. Treatment for the mycorrhizasis. Mycorrhizasis is a serious infection and the need to be treated with the prescriptions of antifungal medications. These medications are given through a vein means IV, by mouth, and other medications. Mycorrhizasis reduces such as cut away the infected tissues. This above procedure are the conventional treatment. People at risk: prevention of mycorrhizasis. Mycorrhizasis fungus not contagious. Mycorrhizasis can't spread between pupils or between pupils and animals. Mycorrhizasis is rare, but it's more common among people who have the health problem or take medicines that lower the body's ability to fight germs and sickness. Certain group of peoples are the more likely to get mucormycosis. Include peoples are with diabetic ketoacidosis, cancers, organ transplantation, stem cells transplantation, neutropenia means low number of WBC like white blood cells, long-term corticosteroid use, infection drug uses, too much iron in the load like hemochromatosis, skin injuries due to surgery, burn and wounds, prematurity and low birth weight for the neonatal gastrointestinal mucormycosis. Preventive for the mucormycosis: protect yourself from the environmental and antifungal medications, maintain the keep distance and wearing masks and used sanitizers. Can use alternative treatment for this. Homeopathic treatment for the mucormycosis. Homeopathic medicines depend on the signing symptom, causes, diagnosis and pathology. But homeopathic treatment are depend constitution, embolization, case taking, diagnosis and pathologicals. Homeopathic medicines, common medicines which cover all symptoms, little bit such as fever, cold, cough, sneezing, redness eyes, swelling eyes, burning sensation, orbit cellulitis, pustules, inflammation, headache, skin cellulitis, redness, itching, painful skin spots, giddiness and abdominal pain. So if have little bit symptom like that, you can use this medicines. Medicines name Restrox 200 2 times a day for 8 weeks. When there is no improvement, so then immediately stop these medicines. If you have other health issues, so please check nearby homeopathic physicians. Again I am telling you, this medicine depend on signing symptom, but lot of medicine in homeopathy for the for fungals, virals and bacteria. Who does completely cure? If you have not yet subscribed my channel, request to you please subscribe my channel, push bell icon and like and share.